Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Auris. In this video I'll show you where can you find battery. The battery in this car is located in the trunk. To find it, lift up the trunk and remove the floor. Now take a look right here, remove it, and here is the battery. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.